What's up, guys? Sean here, back for another video. I just did a honing video tonight prior to this video. It was live. I did some honing on two different racers. The first one was my Proasso German full hollow grind. I don't know, it's a 4 or 5/8 razor. It is a nice little guy. This was done on a 25-foot shaped caudicle, then to a 25-foot shaped ancient ocean jasper stone, and then finished on my Ohira Suita flatstone. And this 6/8 Bergischer low was done in the exact same progression. Soap I'm going to be using for tonight is Carmel tobacco by the Subtle Art Soap Company. Great stuff. Pre-shave I'm going to be using is Dawn of Glory. Absolutely love this stuff. And the brush I'm going to be using is my Yaqi 24mm badger brush. Go ahead and get the face wet. Not going to be a super long video today. But then again, my shaving videos aren't super long, I guess. Just my lives. My lives are long. Alright. Let's get a lather whipped up here. Today is Wednesday, middle of the week. I'm very grateful because I'm ready for the week to be over. It's not been a fun week at work. All right. Get some Dawn of Glory. Alright, let's get lathered up. And I just got water everywhere. Cool. Whatever. It's not called wet shaving because it's dry. Hope everyone's having a good week so far. Glasses back on so I can see. Which razor do we start with first? Kind of want to start with the Bergischer low, so I think that's what I'm going to do. All right. Let's get this party started. That's a really nice edge. Really nice edge. All right. Let's move to the Proasso. Equally as nice of an edge. Man, this little Poroso 62 is like a little sports car. I think it's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's go back to the Bergischer low. Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right. Put the Dovo away. I'll finish with the little sports car. I could clean up the goatee better, but I don't care right now. Man, that is smooth. Oh my goodness, that was a good shave. Super good. All right. Let's go with some Thayer's Lemon Witch Hazel. I'll throw some of this on. Oh yeah, that's nice. So nice. And we'll pair that with, I'm almost out of my Proasso aftershave. I think this is the green tea and oatmeal. Yeah, green tea and, not oatmeal, I'm sorry, oat. Really like this stuff. It almost has like a bit of a citrus smell. Has a bit of a citrus smell to it, to me. Really nice. Really refreshing. All right, folks. Well, that's going to be it for tonight. I hope everyone has a fantastic rest of their week and a great weekend, and I will catch you guys later. See ya.